Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. Now since the Rocket League game is linked with your Epic Games account and all of the online features depend on your Epic Games account as well, you will need to appear offline on the Epic Games Launcher app. So go ahead and open up the app. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you are logged in and taken into the main store page, you will see your account icon at the top right corner, which will have a green icon at the bottom right if you are actively online. You can click on this button and then click on Sign Out in order to sign out from Epic Games. Once you proceed with signing out from your account, you will be taken into the home page for Epic Games. And now if you open up the Rocket League app, you will notice that your game is no more linked to your online account. And there you have it. That is how you can appear offline within the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.